Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about common mistakes in sentence making. Common mistakes. While I dress, I look at me in the mirror. Wrong. Correct is while I dress, I look at myself in the mirror. Common mistakes. We like very much ice cream. Wrong. We like ice cream very much. Correct. Expressions. We are 5 in my family. Wrong. We are 5 of us in my family. Correct. Common mistakes. This restaurant is open every day. Wrong. This restaurant is open every day. Like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.